Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Martin Gina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to set your form properties. So in this video we are not gonna be dealing with any code of some sort, just setting the form properties, which will include how to insert a background image, a color, icon, border style, and so on. So let's get started. I need you to go to properties and go look for text. Where there's text, instead of form 1, change your form title or name to any name that you like. So for me, I will just say my app. Let's see, it's working. My form title has changed to my app. Now we can also go back to our properties and look for form border style, where we can also change the border style of our form. So we have different options. We have fixed, single. Let's try another one, fixed 3D. Yes. There's fixed dialog. You can just play around all these options and see which one you like. So for me, I stick with fixed 3D. Yeah, I think it's working. So now I'm gonna show you again how to insert or put a background color to your form. So we need to look for a back color. There are different options: system, web, and custom colors. So let's say I decide to choose this one and see, okay, lime is working. Now we have a background color on my form. And then maybe let's say we choose a different one. Which one? Maybe let's say this one. Still my background color changes. So you can actually change your background color to any color that you like. So but for me, I'm gonna stick with this one. Yeah. So now I've shown you how to rename the title of your form, to rename your form or change the title of your form, how to change the border style for your form, and also how to insert a background color to your form. So now I'm gonna show you how to insert an icon to your form. So you're gonna just scroll down and look for icon, and here is icon. Just click here, and then here's my icon. Before we insert our icon, I would love to highlight something. Your icon's format should be .ico. Every icon's format should be .ico before you can use it. So let's see, here's my icon. We have it now. So the last thing that I'm gonna show you is how to insert a background image. So let's see, look for background image. There's none, and we're gonna search for one. So we have to import because we don't have any here. Let's take this one just and click OK, and let's wait and see. My machine is, oh my god, sorry for the delays. Yes, now we have the background image. So you can also, the last thing that maybe you can do is to also try to play around with your background image or the background image layer. So you have to go to background image layer. There are different options here. There's tile, you can center it, you can stretch it, or maybe use zoom, but let's stick with stretch.